Hey friends, welcome again to my channel Food, Places and Poetry. And today I'm standing on the soil of Germany on this beautiful place filled with natural beauty, and you can see the birds and the river. It is amazing place filled with natural beauty. And today the poem also is about earth, what all earth gives free of cost. So the title of my poem is Love the Planet in Return. We shall reap what we sow. Earth Day too shall pass before we know. Give the planet gift of green color mixed with purity. Give the earth gift of green color mixed with purity. Food is abundant, but can we eat with surety? Don't convert the grasslands into concrete jungle. Don't convert the grasslands into concrete jungle. A day will come when we will be left with just rocks to mingle. Let us all take an oath to plant some trees. Let us all take an oath to plant some trees. Not to pollute rivers and seas. Not to pollute rivers and seas. To show its worth, let us care for our earth. To show its worth, let us care for our earth. If we don't put a check on our greed, if we don't put a check on our greed for quality life, our kids will have to plead. For quality life, our kids will have to plead. Convert the planet into garden of flowers. Convert the planet into garden of flowers. Lost in its beauty, our hearts can dance for hours. Lost in its beauty, our hearts can dance for hours. Treat the earth with immense honesty. Treat the earth with immense honesty so that it can feed us till we are more than 90. So that it can feed us till we are more than 90. Let us teach our kids not only to score great percentages. Let us teach our kids not only to score great percentages, but also to take care of earth, to make it livable for ages, but also to take care of earth, to make it livable for ages. So friends, hope that we love and care for our earth, because it is giving us so much without asking for anything. Hope you like my poem. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.